Good morning, guys. It is Friday, February 12th. Happy early Valentine's Day and happy early 100th day of school. Um, we are going to go over our warm up, and then you just need to make sure you have all of the other warm up questions submitted, and then we'll go over our agenda for today. So today's question is a chart that shows all the possible combinations of alleles that can result from a genetic cross is what? So think back on the worksheets that we've been doing a lot of. What kind of chart or table have we been using? What is that called? You can look at your Chapter 4 key terms. You can look at the 4.2 section, or you can look it up as well. But once you have today's question answered, make sure you again have all of the other warm-ups filled out, and then make sure you submit your warm-up, and we'll jump over to Schoology. All right, so on Schoology today, in our folder, you guys are finishing up any other work you need to do this week, any worksheets you need to turn in if you need to finish the ed puzzle from yesterday. And then we're going to be working on a section review for these first two sections. And that will be starting today, and it'll carry over into Monday as well. And then we'll have our test on Tuesday. So we'll get the chance to kind of review the questions and you have time to work. Okay, so if you click on today's folder, you're going to open up the review assignment and you'll have the document there. Like anything else, you'll make a copy of it when you click on it. And the review will look like this. It's just a regular Google Doc. You can then fill in the blanks. You can change the color of your text or just leave it the way it is. I didn't change the colors this time. But you have 32 questions. The last two questions are Punnett squares. I did want to go over those quick. So this first one, I have the parent allele combinations for you. You need to figure out what the offspring would be and then answer the question of what are the chances that Molly and Marvin will have a green-eyed baby based on the information above. And then for question 32, you kind of need to work backwards based on the information and fill out the Punnett square to explain how one of the children has freckles while the other one doesn't, and neither of the parents do as well. Okay, then all the other questions, 1 through 30, are essentially like defining questions or answering a couple other questions, explaining a process, and things like that. So again, you can use your guided reading notes. You can use the textbook. We didn't do any fill-in notes this time. You can look back at your worksheets to kind of help you solve those things. Check your warm-ups as well. But otherwise, you should have all the resources. If you have any questions, just let me know and send me an email. Have a good day and have a good weekend.